Welcome to Genie Baji. Episode 6 Hobbies Conversation. Welcome again. In this episode, you will hear a natural conversation about hobbies. Listen, repeat, and speak along. Scene: two classmates chatting at lunch. What do you like to do in your free time?
I listen to music.
And watch movies. You? I read books and sometimes go for a walk in the park. Nice. Do you ever cook? Yes, I bake cookies with my sister on weekends. Cool. I play football every Sunday with my friends. Sounds fun. I want to try drawing again. It's so relaxing. Totally agree. We all need good hobbies. Well done. You have just practiced a simple English conversation. Practice this dialogue with a friend or say both parts by yourself to build confidence. Your turn. What hobbies do you enjoy? Try saying two things you do in your free time. Great speaking. You are building confidence with every episode. See you in next episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.